If you're looking for how to view history in Asana, you're in the right place. In this quick explanation, I'll show you the steps you need to follow to easily track the changes and updates made in your Asana projects. Stick around because I'll also share a cool way to get more out of Asana for free, which you definitely don't want to miss. Before we dive in, don't forget that you can use Asana completely free with our exclusive bonuses by clicking the first link in the description below. Alright, let's get into how to view history in Asana. First off, to track the history of changes made in a task or project, you want to use the Task History feature. This lets you see everything that's been updated, changed, or added, including comments, assignees, due dates, and attachments. You can find this by opening any task and clicking on the History tab located at the top of the task details. It's that easy to see everything that has happened within that specific task. Next thing, if you're looking for more detailed tracking across entire projects, you'll want to use the Project Activity feed. This shows the recent activity for all tasks within the project, giving you an overview of what's happening across multiple tasks at once. You can find this feed by clicking into the project, then looking for the Activity section at the bottom. This is perfect for seeing changes that impact multiple tasks in a project. The third thing you'll want to know is about Team Activity. If you're managing a team in Asana, the Team Activity section is a great way to keep an eye on everything that's been updated, commented on, or assigned within your team space. It's accessible from the left-hand sidebar by clicking on your team's name and selecting Activity. This way, you can stay on top of your team's progress without missing any important updates. The fourth thing, for teams using premium features, Asana also has a version history function for attachments. If a file or document has been updated, you can view the older versions of that file to track any changes made. This is super helpful for project managers who need to keep a record of documents and changes. Just open the attachment, and you'll find a Version History button in the Files options. Lastly, if you want to make sure you're always keeping track of the most important changes, you can set up notifications to alert you whenever changes are made to tasks or projects. You can adjust your notification settings by going into your account settings, clicking on Notifications, and choosing what you want to be notified about. This way, you can receive alerts about updates that matter most to you. That's how to view history in Asana, and it's a great way to ensure you never miss an important change or update in your projects. Make sure to use these features to stay organized and efficient. Before you go, don't forget to check the first link below to get an exclusive extended free trial of Asana, giving you more time to explore all of its awesome features for free. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped.